across to breaking news coming in as the Delhi High Court has now pulled up Kejriwal government over the rising number of COVID cases in the national capital. The High Court has said that you have started talks with the centre today, whereas you should have done this earlier. Remember, the COVID situation in the national capital is at a very critical juncture, and the number of fatalities that have also largely increased. The High Court also went on to ask the Delhi government as to what will be the answer to the families of those who have died from corona. High Court also said that the number of deaths is increasing every day. Every day someone or the other is losing one of their loved ones. What will be the answer to them? The High Court primarily saying that you've started talks with the centre today, whereas this should have been done much earlier. So the Delhi High Court primarily pulling up the Delhi government over the surge in the number of cases in the national capital. Remember, the Delhi government has been in talks with the Home Ministry and has taken a 20-point chart that will now be executed to control the number of COVID cases in Delhi. Not just this, even the number of beds that have been increased and hospitals that have also now been designated to look into COVID cases. This apart, even the fine that has now been hiked to 2,000 rupees for someone who does not wear a mask in public places. But for the moment, Piyush is joining me because Piyush, this is the Delhi High Court pulling up the Aam Aadmi Party government saying that what is happening now should have been done at a much earlier stage. Why are they waking up late?
Well, absolutely, that's a big development coming in. What we're learning is that the court has now pulled up the Arvind Kejriwal government, and they have sought some sort of explanation from the government as to why they have delayed in taking these steps. Remember that today itself there was a meeting which took place at the residence of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, where all the political party leaders were there. In fact, the meeting later on took place at Delhi Secretariat, not at Arvind Kejriwal's residence, but there, after that meeting, this decision has been taken that the fine for not putting a mask has been increased from 500 to 2,000. But now Delhi High Court has slammed Arvind Kejriwal for not taking these decisions on time, and that's the big observation coming in. We'll have to wait and watch as to how the government is going to implement it, but that's the big development coming in. What we're also learning is that in coming few days, more and more decisions will be taken by the government. On the other side, the Health Ministry has also formed a panel which will be looking into the solution of curbing the cases that are now increasing day by day. But the court has slammed Arvind Kejriwal's government, and they have sought some sort of explanations. Now we'll have to wait and watch how the government moves ahead and takes and implements the kind of decisions that have been taken by the government. Though the Home Ministry has also, after its intervention, Home Ministry has also supported the government, Delhi government, and they have they have now added the IC beds also for the Delhiites. So decisions are now being taken, but court has now asked questions from the Delhi government and
yes, and let's also play out some of the key statements made by Arvind Kejriwal at a news conference this afternoon, where he also put out how Delhiites need to be cautious, especially avoid the Chhath Puja and stay indoors, and most importantly, what needs to be done to now ensure that COVID can be controlled in Delhi.